Hello, my name is Ian Galindo, and today I'm going to talk about the airbags of the cars. I think that we all know how do airbags work. Um, they come out whenever we have an accident or a car crash, and it really helps us save our lives. But what many people I think that they don't know is that this process of the airbags to come out in just such a fast time, in only milliseconds, to for us to save our lives, it involves a system but also many chemical reactions that help the bag to come out really fast and in such a with such a pressure that it's keep us safe. So today I'm going to talk about that. And to start, the process we starts with actually it starts with a sensor which detects the crash. Whenever we are driving and the car starts to slow down really fast, and the sensor detects any type of contact with suddenly with something, it's when this sensor is holding a tiny steel ball which is sitting in the place, held by a spring, which keeps the airbag in its box. And whenever this sensor detects any contact, as I said, it releases this tiny little ball, which releases also and starts the process of inflating the airbag. And this is when chemistry begins, because in order to inflate in such a fast way the airbag, we involve many chemical reactions with many substances, which is called the sodium acid, which it gets heated up, and when this substance heats up, it currently quickly breaks down into nitrogen gas and sodium metal. But there's a problem with the sodium metal, because these are the three main reactions which help us inflate the airbag. But actually the sodium metal is really dangerous. It's really reactive, so it may cause many problems in our health and in the reaction. It's really dangerous. So in order to neutralize this sodium metal, we have to add many other substances, such as potassium nitrate and silicon dioxide, which we add in order to neutralize the this danger of the sodium metal, and but also help us for the airbag to inflate really much faster, because we have to understand that all this process that I'm telling, it only happens in question of milliseconds. So the sodium metal reacts with the potassium nitrate and forms some new compounds, because this process, uh, as I already said, it helps us to get rid of the sodium metal and also help us to produce more nitrogen in order to inflate the airbag even more faster. So I will show you right now the reactions. And when the airbag is truly completely inflated, it creates a cushion which helps us protect ourselves, as I said, the driver and also the passenger. In the crash, it can save many lives. So I think that it's really amazing how chemistry can also help us, because many people like say that chemistry doesn't help us if we are not going to do anything related with this. Well, something as basic and as helpful as airbags are also involved with chemistry. Without chemistry, I think that airbags wouldn't be as much effective as they are nowadays. It doesn't hurt the person, and also it happens really fast thanks of chemistry.